Welcome welcome to my channel, which is a 2pi group, and this channel is Physics to Pi. And today I am going to tell you about how to be expert on Python from a beginner. Like I'm first of all, I want to introduce myself as a physicist. So I'm not a full-time developer or full-time a software programmer, but whatever I have learned from my school days and then college life and then university life, I have to learn Python, Fortran and C++ and that kind of language to improve the calculations part of the physics, so that I and the whole community of science can be can be benefited from that. So without wasting any time further, I think it should so first of all, uh, just let me check that YouTube's live. Okay, that's good. So first you have to go to the Python. Okay, so whenever you will be searching Python and you will download that, I have already downloaded it. So just click the download button and download it, and then you just install the latest versions 3.9.2, and then you just type here cmd. Okay, so this is the command prompt. So for me, I have to run this as administrator. Also, you can run without the administrator privilege if you want to install within the your user drive. All right, so just make sure. Yeah, so now you can see this is my command prompt. So just type Python after the installing part. You just type the Python, then -- version, and you will get to know that which is your current version. So my current version is Python 3.7.9, so that's reasonable. And also I have installed other versions as well. So if you want to change any kind of versions, so go there and type env or environmental variable. So go to the environmental variable, and then this is the user variable for my current user profile, or it's for everyone system variable. So for me it will be here because I'm running the Python with the admin privilege. So now you can see the priority is given to the first Python script. So if you see that Python 37 scripts, it's the first thing. So I have also included the 39, which is 3.9. So now I'm going to I'm going to include the Python 3.9 so that you will be up to date. And today is the 14th March, which is also called Pi Day. So just move up and also move up. Okay, so these two things should be to the top, and you can change. So okay, and then if you type again the Python version, I know something will not be okay. You will see the same exact result, right? Why? Because I did not close this. So you have to close before, because then your machine is the machine has already loaded in the command prompt. So now I have to load again, and that's when if you go to type this Python version, and then you will see this is 3.9.2, and many of this is the main thing I see a lot of people. So all right, so this is the so I have already installed. Now another thing you have to install for making, so which is VS Code, which is my favorite. So I have already installed VS Code, which is a free and open source software for editing any kind of programming language, which is already I have installed it here. So you can open this, or now I'm going, but what I want to do is basically I want to install pip, which is a package installer for Python. Pip install Jupyter lab. Okay, so you just install it. So you can see this is my requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. Now then pip install notebook, already installed. So after these two commands you can check something called Jupyter notebook. Okay, so run this command in the command prompt and then something will go. Now see, this is the thing, this is the Jupyter notebook where I will teach you how to so yes, so this is my thing. Now obviously as I am running this within the, okay, let me change this. Okay, so just be sure that you can see what I'm doing. So press the Windows key with the R along and then type cmd. Okay, and then press Jupyter notebook. Okay, so this is the thing. So now I have to change this and then upload or new. I'm going to new. Okay, so I call it Python tutorial. All right, so Python is a language for any kind of scientific programmer who will be benefited from that. So just for a very easy programming language, like if you type 2 plus 3 and then shift plus enter, you will get 5, and if you press only enter, then it will be like 2 plus 3 enter, it will make another line. Okay, so shift enter will give you the output. So something, so this is the thing you can, it's simple thing. Now you can do much thing like 2 minus 1. You can do 2 into 3, which is 6. Also you can do 2.5 into 3, 7.5. So this is called integer and this is called the float, and I will come to the next part. So now you can divide also 6 by 2 and 3.0. So always remember it will come as float. Okay, and then if you just integer and then 6 by 2, and it will give you only 3. Okay, so now I'm going to, so print is the best statement, which is simple thing like hello world. Okay, sorry, so hello world, and then voila, it's hello world. Okay, now I'm going to talk about if you the best thing to learn Python is the Python documentations. which is available in the python docs.python.org. Okay, so go to the tutorial, and then this is everything you need to know. Okay, so I'm using Python as a calculator, number, string, list. So let's back to the main place here, just print again hello world. Now you can print not only this, also you can print this times 3. Okay, so it will print 3 times hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. And also if you want to print, sorry, which is space hello world, then if you want to multiply 3, then voila, sorry, hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. And also you can print in the next line like this, hello space, and then star 3. Okay, so and voila, something not going to all right.